The Farquhar branch line was coated in snow, and so was the main line. Trains were cancelled, buses delayed, and the Fat Controller was contemplating if becoming a controller was ever a good idea. Thomas puffed down his line, the snowplow doing wonders in the snow. Ugh, I wish I was back in my nice warm shed.
Well, we can't always get what we want, period.
Why are you two here?
The clay pit's closed.
We're here to help. Mavis's engine froze up.
Not okay.
What are you still doing in there? Only mental engines would go out in this kind of weather. You always fail to make me laugh. Why are you still here? I'm not going out in weather like this. I'm mad about it and you should be too, and if you're not, you're a liar! Oh great, you two are here. I have a special job for the both of you. Our big Christmas tree and new express seats have arrived on the other railway and I need you to pick them up. Oh my god, I gotta go brag about this. Hello! The Fat Controller just gave me a special! You mean he gave us a special? Your trains are always late and you cause accidents that block the main line for weeks. You're a danger to the rails. More like society. You have no idea what you're talking about. Why do I have to be the one in front? 'Cause you're less important than me. Hello, I'm your best friend. Just friend.
Ugh, that was semi-feral.
Let's go. We're already here. The main line isn't that long. Well, I don't know that. You leave this island like every 3 days. Shut up, of course you wouldn't know anything. Hello? Oh, I remember you. You're the one who crashed through the buffers. I think it's time to go. Don't rush me. Go, leave the fucking station. This is bad for my brakes, and well, you know it. Bitch knew exactly what he was talking about, what he was doing. Oh, did they just, oh well. Did the main line change? Yeah, the wax unit cruised that fast. Stupid. I feel something wobbling inside my tender. Maybe it's a duck. Those are ice blocks. Your water's starting to freeze. Well, let's go then. Hey!
I'd do anything for 20 bucks to feel more in control. 'Cause lemonade is better till you're sitting off the bowl. I'm sitting in the bathroom, I'm crying citrus tears. Everything I used to love decayed over the years.
Hey, Thomas. Yeah? How would you feel if I were to say that this is all your fault? No, it's not. You rushed us off the station. Oh, look what you've done now, you dipshit. Move! Thank you. You're good. The things I do for this railway. If you could change railways, where would you go? Nowhere, I guess. I'd stay here. But you complain every day.
Yeah, about Gordon and Henry.
Oh, I see. Oh no, an option. We can either take the track leading to that frozen lake or continue down the mountain. Which do you think Mattel would choose? I'm not about to kill myself. Okay, bad idea, bad idea! God damn it, Tom! Ah! Shouldn't they have come back by now? Of course. Oh, is that it? You wouldn't care if they crashed or got stranded somewhere? Well... No. Well, I tried. Oh my gosh, look! Power lines? Yeah, not our railway.
Good evening. You two look like Sodor engines. With that tree I assume you picked up for your railway. I'll let the signalman know, and once that signal drops, you can run back to your own railway.
We're finally going home! Shh! Don't say that so loud! And off we go!
Toby, where are they? It's been hours.
I don't know, Percy.
I even finished pulling the mail, like, the entire thing.
Who knows where they could have ended up? Has anybody tried searching for them? I heard they sent Harold, but he had to cut off the search because of the snow. Ugh, they've been missing for hours, and they've got the tree. I swear if they come back without one... Get your ass back into the turntable, well, you mistreated little bitch. I hear them!
They're here! I was beginning to think I'd have to go out and search it myself.
Yeah, that was a lot we went through. Oh god, and with James no less. Poor Thomas. I'd never. Actually, James helped save me and this Christmas tree. You do have one!
Don't listen to him. He only cared about the tree, not for you.
Fuck you, Oliver. And then we slid down a hill onto some other railway with power lines.
That's amazing.
I'm amazed you
That
didn't
sounded like
perish.
such a cool adventure.
That tree is amazing.
I know
I
it's
have
so
never
right. That
been
is
in
a
a
train
beautiful
engine
ship.
I've seen. We slipped onto this other railway I've never seen before, and I don't even know how we got there. Definitely need a break after all of that. That was crazy. But I am happy to be back.
I'd do anything for $20 to feel more in control. 'Cause lmao, I better tell you, Satan of the soul. I'm sitting in the bathroom, I'm sobbing citrus tears. Everything I'll ever love decayed over the years.